example, we will be going over subscription management. And in order to access this page, you head over to My Account and Subscription. Over here, you can see the pack subscribed alongside the functions of your pack, which is all of these selected over here. And in order to add the proper banner, you head over to Account Settings, and you can enter the desired image, and you can see the image is changed. And in order to make the proper modifications, you can change it to English, and you click refresh. As you can see, the banner is up there, and you can make the final adjustment. Clicking refresh again, and everything is in order.